The process of cleaning electronics is quite different from cleaning other office areas. People often say it is more critical, and we entirely agree. Because if proper care is not taken, electronics may be damaged during cleaning. This explains why most people are scared to clean them. Nonetheless, this does not justify accumulating so much dirt on them. What, then, is to be done? It's simple: clean them the right way. Not to worry, you don't have to ask the following question in your mind. 1. Unplugging them. It is worthy of mentioning. Leaving electronics plugged in for a while cleaning screams danger, especially when using water. Electrocution, or even an explosion of the device could occur. The first step in cleaning every electronics is ensuring they are correctly unplugged and there is no voltage flow. This is for both the safety of the device and the safety of the cleaner as well. 2. Reading the manufacturer's manual. There is no better way to learn how to clean a product than from the manufacturer. And that is why abiding by the manufacturer's instructions is the safest way to clean electronics. Every device comes with a manufacturer's guide that usually includes cleaning it. These instructions may differ for different devices, as what may be suitable for one may not be for the other. And that is why we advise you to carefully read the manufacturer's guide on cleaning the product before going ahead to clean. 3. Using soft materials. Electronics are pretty different from floors. Hence they can use something other than hard materials to get them clean. Laptops, printers, and computers are fragile and may become scratched if hard materials are used. Therefore, be sure to use soft towels or sponges when cleaning electronics. 4. Using a vacuum. Office electronic devices must be one of the most left out places in the cleaning routine. People need to remember to clean them. And this causes the accumulation of dust that can affect the function of electronics. The safest way to ensure all the dust particles are removed and the device is undamaged is to use a vacuum. This will help you get the tiniest dirt out without destroying the device. 5. Using electronic wipes. Any wipes would not work for electronics, as some contain harsh chemicals that may damage them. Electronic wipes are specially made for electronics, and safe for cleaning office electronics. Electronic wipes are usually soft, and can be used to wipe the surfaces of devices without leaving a scratch. Bonus tip. 6. Using assigned cleaning products. Again, keep in mind that electronics differ from the floor and other office areas. So, you cannot use the same cleaning products on them. Look out for cleaning products that are specially made for cleaning electronics. They are usually less abrasive. Dirt gets on electronics from regular touching and usage. We strongly recommend regular cleaning to maintain a healthy workplace and keep your equipment working correctly. Experts like FastKlean are well trained for this. For more assistance, do not hesitate to contact us at FastKlean. We are here to help. Want more tips? Check out our previous video on 5 germ breeding areas in your office. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208 8849 149 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video.